Today we're going to read A is for Airplanes by Theresa Howell, illustrated by David Brooks. A is for airplane. Look at the big red airplane. B is for bicycle and C is for car. D is for desert. Look at the big green cactus. E is for elephant. What color is the elephant? The elephant is gray. And F is for flower. G is for gorilla. H is for hammock. The hammock is green. I is for island. J is for juice. K is for karate. Who knows karate? My daughter says she knows karate. L is for lake. Who knows how many lakes Michigan has? 5. M is for mommy. I forgot mommy. M is for mommy. And then N is for nest. O is for ocean. Who's been to the ocean? My daughter says she's been to the ocean. P is for people. This picture has lots of people. Q is for quintuplets. Quintuplets is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. R is for red. S is for sun. The sun is yellow. T is for telephone. The telephones don't look like this anymore. U is for universe. V is for volcano. Look, the smoke coming out of the volcano. W is for Washington, D.C. X is for xylophone. I know a lot of kids in my class who used to love playing with the xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. People know how to do lots of tricks with the yo-yo. And Z is for the zoo. My kids want to go to the zoo. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.